Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a drill. Now all models will vary, but for the biggest part, your battery is going to be on the very bottom, and they are rechargeable. On this Porter cable, you'll simply spin it around, push down right here, slide your tool off. That's going to give you your battery pack. You'll take your charger, slide it up from the bottom till it clicks. Now, if it's a solid green light, that means the battery is fully charged. If it's flashing green, that means the battery is charging. And anything red means either the battery is completely dead or the battery has got too hot. Now, if the battery has overheated, it will feel very warm to the touch. So you'll want to wait 1 to 2 hours before you try to charge it. But we're good here. We have a solid green. We're fully charged. Just slide it off. Now, you'll just simply take your tool, slide from the back, push till it clicks. Now the big red button here is going to be your power button. Simply pulling it in will activate the drill. Now your forward reverse switch is going to be right here. We're in forward mode right now, but if we push it all the way in, that'll put us in reverse. If we go from the back side, push it all the way in, that'll put us back into forward. Now if we look on the top of the drill, we're going to see our speed selector. 1 is low speed, 2 is high speed. Now as a rule of thumb, if you're driving screws, you'll really want to do that on 1. And if you're drilling, you want to bump that up to 2, kind of increase your speed. But now this will vary. And like in my other videos, if you're drilling metal using a large bit, you'll really want to drop that down to 1 on a low speed. And that's going to keep your bit from overheating. Now this right here is going to be your chuck, and this is going to be your bit. Now this is kind of the workhorse of the drill, and I wanted to spend a few moments to make sure you really understand this. Now to simply change the bit, you'll grab right here, turn away from you, that will loosen the chuck. Take your bit out, take your new bit, place in the end, turn towards you, and you want to grab it and turn till you kind of feel a click. Just like that. Now I wanted to take a moment and kind of show you how this chuck works so you'll get a good understanding of it. If we turn it away from us, that will loosen the chuck. We take the bit out, and when we look, when we start turning back towards us, there are 3 jaws. That is what will grab a hold onto your bit, or your drill bit, whatever you have. If we turn it away from us, the jaws will open. It'll accept a bigger bit, and it's really very basic. You just put your bit in, turn it away, it opens, turn it towards you, click, and you're good to go. Now right behind the chuck, you have this ring that has numbers going around it. This is going to be your clutch. I'll set it here so we can see it better. Now, it has a row of numbers going around it. It'll start with a low number, and as you work your way around, the numbers increase and get higher. Now all this does is the lower the number, the less power you have going to your tip. The higher the number, the more power you have going to your tip. I'll give you an example. Say you're driving a screw into the wall and you've selected number 2 and the screw drives about halfway. You'll simply grab right here. That'll be 3. That'll be 4. Now that's going to put more power to this tip and drive that screw. But now what I do, I'll just be honest with you, 90% of the time, I turn mine all the way over here to either 22, which is my high setting, or I go to this drill bit icon. Now once I select this drill bit icon, I get 100% the power from this motor to this tip. No matter what I'm drilling, I got 100% power. Over the years, I have gotten the hang of when to let go of this power trigger, not to drive the screws through the wall or whatever I'm using. But now you can do whatever you feel more comfortable with. So if you feel better by simply picking a number, like I said, a softer material will require a lower number. If it's a hard material, say a hardwood or something like that, you want to just turn it. Say go up to about half or something like that and start filling it out. You will get the hang of it and you will start understanding your drill better. Okay, I'm going to go with number 8 for this first screw. I'm going to go with number 12 for the next screw. I'm going to go with number 16 for this one. Now this is number 22. See, it would clear straight through the table if I didn't let off from it. Now if you turn your clutch selector all the way around, you'll notice this little icon that looks just like a drill bit. Now that is exactly what it is. That's going to put you in drill bit mode. And you throw a drill bit in there and you're ready to drill a hole. I hope this video has helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching.